Finding the perfect loose powder can transform your makeup routine, keeping your look flawless, oil-free, and long-lasting. Whether you're aiming for a matte finish, a radiant glow, or simply setting your foundation, loose powders are an essential tool. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best loose powders that cater to every skin type and makeup need. Stay tuned as we dive into the details and help you find the ideal product for a polished finish that lasts all day. Kicking off our list at number 1, Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. The Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder is a timeless classic that has been a favorite for generations. Known for its ultra-fine texture and exceptional versatility, this powder offers a soft focus finish that blurs imperfections and sets makeup beautifully. Key features: the Coty Airspun powder is crafted with microspun particles, which are finer than most powders on the market. This ensures smooth application and an airbrushed finish. It's available in various shades, including translucent options, and is known for its lightweight feel and excellent oil control. Benefits and usage: this powder is ideal for setting foundation, baking under the eyes, or even wearing alone for a subtle matte finish. The finely milled texture ensures it doesn't settle into fine lines or pores, leaving your skin looking flawless and smooth. Usability: Coty Airspun suits all skin types, though it works particularly well for oily and combination skin. Its vintage-inspired packaging includes a puff for easy application, though many prefer using a brush or sponge for better precision. Durability: this powder provides long-lasting performance, keeping your makeup intact for up to 8 hours. Its oil-controlling properties make it an excellent choice for humid days or extended wear. In the second spot, we have RCMA No Color Powder. The RCMA No Color Powder is a staple in professional makeup kits worldwide. This powder is celebrated for its simplicity and effectiveness, providing a flawless finish without altering your foundation's color or texture. Key features: the RCMA No Color Powder is free of pigment, making it suitable for all skin tones. It's formulated without talc, parabens, or fragrances, ensuring it's gentle on the skin. The ultrafine texture ensures a seamless application without caking or flashback in photos. Benefits and usage: this powder is perfect for setting makeup without adding any additional coverage or color. Its lightweight formula absorbs excess oil, leaving the skin with a natural matte finish. It's also great for touch-ups, ensuring your makeup looks fresh throughout the day. Usability: suitable for all skin types, this powder is particularly loved by those with sensitive or acne-prone skin due to its minimalist ingredients. Its simple packaging requires transferring to a separate container for convenience, but the performance is worth the effort. Durability: RCMA No Color Powder offers all-day wear, ensuring your makeup stays in place for up to 10 hours. It resists creasing and settling, making it ideal for under-eye setting or high-heat environments. Coming in at number 3 is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. The Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder is a drugstore gem that rivals high-end products in performance. Designed to provide a smooth, natural finish, this powder is a favorite for setting makeup and controlling shine without breaking the bank. Key features: this powder comes in 8 shades, catering to a variety of skin tones. Its finely milled texture ensures smooth application, while the tinted formula provides a hint of coverage for a more polished look. It's dermatologist-tested and non-comedogenic, making it safe for everyday use. Benefits and usage: the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder works well for setting foundation, minimizing pores, and controlling shine. The tinted formula offers sheer coverage, enhancing your foundation or evening out your skin tone when used alone. Usability: this powder is versatile and suitable for all skin types, though it shines for those with normal to oily skin. Its compact jar makes it easy to use, and a fluffy brush or makeup sponge ensures even application. Durability: the Maybelline Fit Me Powder offers impressive longevity for a drugstore product, keeping your makeup intact for up to 8 hours. Its oil-controlling properties make it a reliable choice for long days or active lifestyles. Taking our 4th spot is Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Powder. The Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Setting Powder is a luxurious option designed for those who demand perfection. This powder delivers a soft focus, photo-ready finish while setting makeup beautifully. Key features: available in 8 shades, this powder caters to a wide range of skin tones. It's formulated with ultra-fine, light diffusing particles that blur imperfections and minimize shine. The talc-free formula is also cruelty-free, aligning with Fenty's inclusive and ethical values. Benefits and usage: this powder is perfect for setting foundation, baking, or mattifying the skin. Its silky texture glides on effortlessly, leaving the skin with a natural, soft matte finish that doesn't feel heavy or dry. Usability: Fenty's setting powder is suitable for all skin types, though it works particularly well for normal to oily skin. The elegant jar includes a sifter to control product usage, ensuring a mess-free application. Durability: the Pro Filt'r powder provides long-lasting performance, keeping your makeup intact for up to 12 hours. Its sweat-resistant formula makes it ideal for hot weather or special occasions. And finally, at number 5, we have Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. The Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder is the epitome of luxury and innovation. Known for its weightless feel and luminous finish, this powder is a favorite among those who seek a radiant, natural glow. Key features: this translucent powder features light-reflecting particles that blur imperfections and enhance your skin's natural radiance. It's free of talc, parabens, and fragrances, making it suitable for sensitive skin. The unique packaging includes a gold sifter for precise application. Benefits and usage: the Veil Translucent Setting Powder is ideal for setting makeup or adding a subtle glow to bare skin. Its finely milled texture ensures smooth application, enhancing the skin's appearance without settling into fine lines. Usability: this powder works for all skin types, particularly dry to combination skin, thanks to its hydrating formula. The luxurious packaging and finely milled texture make it a pleasure to use, whether you're a professional or a makeup enthusiast. Durability: despite its lightweight feel, the Hourglass Veil powder delivers long-lasting results, keeping your makeup flawless for up to 10 hours. Its ability to maintain a radiant finish ensures you look fresh all day. A good loose powder is more than just a makeup product, it's a tool for enhancing and extending your look. From the budget-friendly Maybelline Fit Me to the luxurious Hourglass Veil, these powders cater to a range of preferences and needs. Whether you need oil control, a radiant glow, or a flawless matte finish, one of these top 5 loose powders is sure to meet your expectations. Choose your favorite and elevate your makeup routine to the next level.